Alright, what's up everybody? We are on episode 47 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, which is called Returning from the Brink. This is of course the penultimate episode of the season. Things are definitely going down. I had totally not expected that wall purges would be leading into this, which is basically like a Super Smash Brawl, you know, like unfolding in this, zone that we basically find ourselves in right now again, right? It's funny because it very much actually reminds me of a very recent fight that, of course, we saw take place outside the castle, right? Which was done that exact same way. But anyway, yeah, so basically Clayman, of course, tried to make his case for why Rimuru had let himself, I guess, if I'm interpreting it correctly, right? I think the theory, basically, that Clayman would like to have everybody believe is that Rimuru let himself get taken in by Carrion's words to become a demon lord, and Carrion then tried to convince Falmouth to attack Tempest, right? So that Rimuru could make this all happen. And so in the process, he's of course already dealt with Carrion, although it remains to be seen in what way. I'm assuming he's still alive somewhere out there, right? Because that's basically what they seem to have teased. But I don't know. I mean, at this point, it's kind of hard to say, of course. It was Frey and Millum taking care of him. We should keep that in mind. So I don't know if Clayman even knows what they've done with him, actually. I mean, maybe oddly enough, Frey has been lying to Clayman as well, telling him that he would have died, basically, in this process, right? Because it seems like Frey, yeah, I don't exactly understand where she stands yet. Like, on one hand, she is executing on his orders, simultaneously, obviously isn't fully trusting of him either, and, yeah, the two have a weird dynamic going on. Millum, of course, we know has been completely played, and Rimuru realizes this as well. But anyway, what I was saying is that Clayman has been trying to convince everybody that Rimuru let himself be taken in by this plan, and therefore they enacted their revenge on Carrion already, and now it's time for Rimuru to get the punishment that he supposedly deserves, right? Rimuru, in turn, held the evidence against him that, like, oh, well, it's funny, because on one hand it's evidence, but simultaneously not really yet, because the one thing, of course, that he teases is that Murin is still alive, which I don't even know if Clayman actually believes that coming out of Rimuru's mouth. That's the thing, like, I wish we could have just had Murin summoned there, so she could have literally disproven his whole point, that, you know, Rimuru would have killed Murin, basically, right? That didn't happen. And so therefore, yeah, right now, again, it's turning into a brawl because Guy Crimson basically just said, you know what? Just fight it out. I don't give a fuck. And so, yeah, like, we're going to see where this all basically leads. I'm very curious, honestly, where this season is going to be leaving us off, of course, because we have one more episode to go after this one. And I'm wondering whether Clayman's fate could truly be or end up being sealed by the end of this season, or if we're going to continue seeing him basically as an antagonist moving forward. Because my gut feeling would like to tell me that we're going to be dealing with Clayman here, literally. You know what I mean? But at the same time, I honestly don't know, because who then basically becomes the next obstacle, right? Yeah, we're going to have Hinata to deal with in the future, and potentially all these other demon lords will eventually become trouble, right? Like, that's still very much a possibility, but it's hard to say what the future prospect right now looks like of the show for me. Anyway, guys, we are going to dive into this new episode, and of course, if you enjoy my reactions to the show, you will be able to get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Make sure you go and check it out. Full-length reactions are going to be up there too. My bonus reactions to all the OVAs, to the movie, to 3 more OVAs coming up right after this season. All going to be up there as exclusive bonus content for you to check out right now. Make sure you go ahead and do that. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes already right now as well. So you can see me actually get around to finishing this season and starting the 3rd season already. So I hope to see you there, no matter what. But with that being said, let's dive into episode 47. Right, and Veldora just showed up. Uncalled for. What the fuck is this? Is this a book? Is this a... Oh, man needs this new volume. I don't know if Rimuru carries it with him, though. Yo, dude is such a nerd. Such a weeb. Help us out? Well, yeah, that's basically the same thing. Distract her. My older brother's only child. Oh shit, right. Is that something we had established? That that the dragon that was Milim's dad is actually related to Veldora too. Interesting. And then the Vezot, I think she was called, is like a sister, right? There's supposed to be 4 of them in total, I think, right? I had not fucking... Yeah, no, actually, Rimuru is about to ask it now, so I guess, no, we weren't supposed to know this yet. No, I get it, I get it. Yeah, exactly. God, all the major dragons are just one big family, I guess, huh? She doesn't mind playing. In fact, she's all about that. Usually. Right, we got this wolf. Oh, shit. Yo, that thing is in pain. Damn. Always, man. You know what that means? She's gonna be on our side soon. Aww. Demon Dominate. Dude, should that not be enough proof that, like, Clayman is fucking with everybody? Even his own? Yo, we're not even gonna be doing any more fighting here. This is a done deal. Yeah, we're switching roles here now, Ranga. Meet your new pet. Beretta, right? Yeah, oh shit. Yo, she took it apart. Spoils of war. This is the loot. The loot I collected. His finest masterpiece was no fucking match. Oh. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, he gave them the reality check. And she wants to... Exactly. I can't wait for season 3. Again, we're becoming one big family, including fucking... what was the finger called? Adalman. Hadouken? Oh shit! Yo! Nah, that's a fucking... Yeah, okay. That's a great Easter egg. He played, yep. He played Street Fighter. That's fantastic. You know, I don't play fighting games at all. I think I might have mentioned that during these reactions, but I did actually play a little bit of Street Fighter 5. Which, yeah, I mean, it's such a fucking meme, but like people just constantly fucking Hadoukening. Is that, no, that's Ryu, right? He's called Ryu, I think. You've got Ken and Ryu, I think, right? But Ryu is the one who does the Hadouken. Yeah, anyway. Oh shit. Yo, Sion facing Clayman directly? Oh fuck. I was gonna say, man has some tricks up his sleeve, but they ain't doing anything. I don't know about that, man. Yeah. They seem pretty broken. Ah, so she took the souls off of it already. Yeah. Damn. You ain't adding jack shit. What can you do? Okay, demon marionette. Here we go again. Ooh, shit. Xion doesn't seem too intimidated by it though. He's still got the poker face. Yo, we got 2 of them already. And 1 died. I can't feel anything. Yo, man is losing control, man. Damn. Oh shit! Ripping off his clothes? Okay. Holy shit! Yo! I wasn't expecting him to reveal this kind of form. That's insane. Dude, I would actually find it kind of poetic if like Rimuru came up to him now and defeated him like with a single quick move or something like that in the exact same way that we kind of saw Benimaru do that with the Gyarados that was summoned, right? We'll see. Like, this form is more intimidating than his usual form, but it doesn't seem that intimidating to me either. Although, now with the glow... Yeah, the mask and everything, that's pretty cool. Holy shit. Oh shit, nah. Yo, if I were Rimuru right now, I'd be intercepting this though, because this could be trouble. Let's fucking go, Xion, man. Damn. Dude, these sound effects. You can feel the impact there. Yo, you know what the thing is? Before we actually get the answer to this, I actually realize now that I don't want to see him die. I want to see him get locked up, right? Like, that would be the best possible outcome. Although he does have a chance then to, at some point, escape, I guess. But, I don't know. That's what he deserves, right? To just be rotting away. Is Milim back to normal? Oh no, oh that's still going actually, never mind. I was kind of expecting it to show up, having already been reverted again. Yep. There is one who can actually stand against Kamehameha. Yep. Yep. She was never really quite on your side. Damn. He's like hit the self-destruct button. What? How? Already? She's still wearing it though. Ah, shit, man. She didn't play a game with him, did she, all this time? No fucking way. No fucking way. You are joking. I mean, you know. What did I say this entire time? She likes playing. She definitely played us so much. She played me. Fucking hell, dude. That's actually great, because I also like the thought that Clayman was never actually able to take any power away from her now, actually. Yeah, that's awesome. Huh. Who did he get that from, actually? Did he get it from the clowns? Yeah, he did. Someone else. Oh, or was it Yuki, actually? It was Yuki, right? That's who he got it from, I think. We're still supposed to officially establish that Yuki is indeed the one behind it. Yeah. Is he gonna spill? Oh, it really wasn't. I mean, it was kind of obvious. I literally called that one. Yeah, but Rimuru didn't want to believe it, I remember. Even though you could tell. He really did look like him. All's going back to normal, slowly but surely. Facts. Dude is gonna get so desperate now. He got played so fucking hard. From all angles. Holy shit. Yo! Yo! We're just gonna reduce him to a romp? Is that what it's called in English? A torso. That's what it's called, I think, in English. That's a Dutch word, but whatever. Huh. Reduced it back to normal size. Hey, I can't wait to make you our friend, Frey. Hell yeah. Oh, the gloves. I think she got this from Rimuru. I had read, but I actually forget when he gave these to her, if we even saw it. I think we did see it, actually. Oh, it showed you really cared. Man, I'm happy to see Millen back, though. I can't lie. So she knew all that time that he was going to play her? Yo, she even let him kick her to her face. Remember? Like the first time that he thought he had gotten control of her? Jesus, man, she's good. Ooh, did they actually taunt him? Role playing. Hey, that's part of the sacrifice. I'm sorry, not everybody can win. Yeah, that's not a good look. Small details, not to him though. Yo, I love this outcome right now, man. It's like we're left with only friends at this point. What is this final episode gonna look like? We're the living proof. Man, that's so great. Yeah, wow, so now we're gonna be building his nations instead of our own. Oh. That's great, man. This is too happy of an ending for this season. And again, we have one more episode left. Wow, okay, even the other demon lords are gonna start taking a liking to us. Noir, yeah. The fuck? What kind of visions is he seeing?
お前たちに信頼され任された魔王という役目なのにどうやらここまでのようだ
Damn. Oh shit. What a way to end things, okay.
ああ、ティア中庸道家連の一員だと君たちに認めてほしかった。やあ、君がクレイマンだろ。慣れ慣れしく私を呼ぶと。
Oh shit, there is Yuki.
おいおい、そう警戒するなよ。こっちは紹介されてきてるんだからさ。
紹介？
君の親、魔王
Kazalim. Right. God, we got Kazalim too still.
僕はこの世界を手に入れる。それに協力してくれよ。
面白い。それは依頼ですか？
ああ、中庸道家連への依頼さ。
報酬は？
魔王カザリームの復活なんてどうかな。
Wow, it's already happened. At this point, right? Gagali. The elf. I don't think we've seen it show up anymore.
そして面白おかしく暮らそうぜ。
魔王カザリームの復活は成就したというのに、私の迂闊さが今回の事態を招いた。
クレイマン、お前は私に似ている。
Yo, is he at least gonna spill to Rimuru that is Yuki?
決して悪い面を真似てはダメだぞ。
カザリーム様、真なる魔王に覚醒などしなくてもいい。だからよこせ。
Could he do anything from a distance? Man is praying to God right now, basically. For one final opportunity, a final chance. Oh shit. Yo! Yo, wait, what? I don't get how this works, dude. The great sage Raphael, whatever it is, like it's talking to him now too. Man is about to evolve into something else here. Oh no. The awakening.
予定通りでしたか。ならば安心ですね。
そう。怨念のようなあれはクレイマンが今まで殺した人々の魂の残滓だ。
The remnant of all the
それを
souls.
解放する。そのためにクレイマンの覚醒が必要だった。
Okay. But for that, he will become a bigger version.
いや、カリオンさん。こいつは俺が相手をするよ。俺も魔王を名乗ったわけだし、自分の席は自分で用意した。
Wait, so we're just gonna be fighting him one more time in this final episode? Yo, we're still gonna be left with a final boss fight here, basically, huh? Phase fucking 2. This is like the ape in Sekiro that just picks his head back up.
見よ、
Jeez. I'd be a little fucking scared. Damn, man. Turned into the Joker. Oh, boy. Alright, guys. Anyway. Octagram. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and of course you can get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes already right now. So, I'll see you there.